Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medical subjects easily. First, embrace active learning by summarizing what you've read in your own words. Try teaching a concept to an imaginary student or a friend. This solidifies your understanding. Regularly test your recall by closing your notes and attempting to remember key facts. This method is far more effective than simply rereading, helping you identify knowledge gaps quickly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of active recall per study session. Next, incorporate spaced repetition into your routine. This technique involves reviewing information at gradually longer intervals, significantly boosting long-term memory. Tools like Anki or Quizlet can automate this process, showing you flashcards just as you're about to forget them. Additionally, create mnemonics for challenging topics. Simple acronyms or vivid mental images can help you recall lists of nerves, bones, or drug classifications with surprising ease, making complex information more accessible. Visual aids are incredibly powerful for medical studies. Sketching out anatomical structures, physiological pathways, or disease mechanisms can clarify intricate relationships. Don't just read about a condition, try to draw its progression. Furthermore, always link what you're learning to clinical relevance. Understanding how a disease presents in a patient or how a drug works in treatment makes the information more meaningful and easier to retain. Consider watching a 10-minute video explaining a complex surgical procedure. Finally, consistent practice with questions is non-negotiable. This not only tests your knowledge, but also familiarizes you with exam formats and question styles. Try to complete at least 25 practice questions daily. Simulate exam conditions occasionally to build stamina and reduce test day stress. Also, consider joining a study group. Explaining concepts to peers or hearing their explanations can offer new insights and reinforce your own understanding, making learning a collaborative and enriching experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.